This 2018 Nissan Maxima SV is a rare find with only 68,000 miles and just one previous owner. It has been serviced exclusively by Nissan, giving you confidence in its maintenance history and overall condition. The Maxima SV delivers the perfect balance of performance and comfort with its powerful V6 engine and refined ride quality. Inside, you'll find premium heated leather seating, a spacious cabin, and a driver-focused layout designed for comfort on every trip. Well cared for, low mileage, and dealer serviced from day one, this Maxima stands out from the rest. If you're looking for a sporty full-size sedan with luxury features and proven reliability, this is one you don't want to miss. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.